Are you spinning? Come spin. Come spin. Spin, spin, spin. You're ready to go.
Wow.
Oh no. Bark, 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 We're going out to eat. You want to go fly the drone? Okay, we'll go do that too.
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Huh?
Okay, the kiddos are loaded. We're getting in. We're headed out.
Helicopter, a beat.
Here we're gonna go fly the helicopter.
Yeah, beat.
Kid is out. If my neck ever looks like that, I am already dead. We're going to dinner. We're going to Bob's Burger and Brews. And Brews? Bob's Burgers and Brew.
Just one brew.
One brew.
Brew's a weird word.
Hey, Summit. Are you ready to go eat?
Out. Get out.
Do you want a hamburger?
French fries?
No.
Do you want apple pie? Yeah. Oakley, we gonna lose you? Are you 5 years old? No, you're not. You're 3.
Are you tired? No. I think you're tired.
No.
Should we go eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Wake up then.
Okay, we're all done with dinner. And now we're gonna do what? Oakley, what are we doing? We're gonna go what? High up in the air, real high?
Yeah!
We're like 50 feet from a mall. I'm not totally sure if we're even allowed to do this, but we're gonna try it. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be flying over a mall.
Why?
The one rule is like not to fly over people.
There's a lot of people in there.
Yeah. We did it! Okay. Okay, let's go. I knew we couldn't come to the mall right there and the park right there without going over there.
Don't blame me. You're the one that wants to go shopping.
It was totally
100%
her
your
fault. Summer, do you like shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oakley, do you like shopping?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That was enthusiastic. Oakley, there's a dog over there. Look at the dog.
Huh?
Look at the dog.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah.
Doggy. Yeah, yeah.
You want to go to Nike? Okay, let's go to Nike.
No shoes.
What are you shopping for, Oakley?
Oh, good.
You want some girl shorts?
Yeah.
No, you don't want girl shorts.
Wow, purple.
Purple shirt?
Yeah, we are all done. Okay, all done.
Looks a little big for you.
Yeah, done. Oh, okay,
You found an orange shirt.
Or orange? Is this how we teach you colors? You go shop at Nike?
Yeah. Oh, black.
Black? That's good.
Black
Yeah, look. Mommy found the kids section.
Wow.
These are like yours, but mini.
And they have a swoosh on them.
The same size as yours.
Say, I love shopping.
Shopping.
More shopping. Okay, when you went into the potty, what'd you do?
Okay, mommy.
Did you go in and touch the urinal, the blue thing? You went right in and ran up to a urinal and then touched the little blue thing, huh?
Yeah.
Is that yucky?
Uh-huh.
It's super yucky.
Oh.
Are you gonna do it again?
No.
No. Okay, let's go find Mommy.
Yeah.
No, not in there. Nope, she's not in there. Nope, she's not in there. Nope, she's not in there. That store's not even open. She's definitely not in there. This is gonna be a long walk back to Mom. It's a little too small. Hopefully when you grow up, do you want to be an ice cream man?
Yeah.
I believe you.
Say hi, Daddy. Done.
Boon. How about moon? That's the moon.
Yeah.
That means we shop the whole day away.
Mommy.
Is that pretty mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Pretty mommy.
Mommy.